Alright guys, welcome to our ultimate fireworks show, June, July 2012. We're about to light off our rockets. This is going to be a 3-part vid. We have about an hour worth of show, so just stay tuned. We have an audience, everything, so let's get underway. I am exhausted. Okay, wow. Playing this show for 3 hours. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Come on, Cal.
Let the show begin.
Woo! Everyone say hi to YouTube. Woo!
We're on Huron Beach on Tawas Bay.
And we're about to light a firework.
Begin.
But we have like a whole lineup. Yeah, we have an hour worth. Everyone, we must ask you to please sit down. Here we go. And we failed. Okay, we're now 1 for 7 on those rockets. Really? Yeah, they suck. All right, let's keep on going. Okay, we're going to do some sparklers in the meantime.
Awesome.
Rock on, Mason, rock on.
You go with me, Mommy. I don't really want to do that.
No sparklers? Cal, you good?
Yes. I've eaten there about 4 times. It's good. Good. Yeah.
Give them feedback.
Huh?
Give them feedback.
Oh, yeah.
What do you guys think of the show so far? Sorry, you guys missed the bottle rockets. They went like 70 feet in the air.
Yeah?
But they were awesome. And anyway, we have an awesome show. We're just going to try and fix our rockets, our spinny rockets. Then we're good.
Let me know. I'm
Beautiful.
thinking sushi. You know? Maybe
Beautiful.
sushi.
I don't know if we have enough people to have.
All right. Mason, we're all set. Oh, another fail. These are supposed to go in the air. Phantom Fireworks is so screwed up.
A little bit of a dud here or there.
Yes, but we're 1 for 8 on those rockets, Helen. Seriously. 1 for 8. Mason, you remember what they look like, right?
Oh, thanks for the commentary.
Yeah. Phantom Fireworks really has to get their brands. Well, they have great fireworks, but they don't have good spinny rockets. Okay?
Alexa. What's your name? What's your name?
We might have to move on. Just stay tuned. Come on!
Alexi? But do you go by Lexi or Alexi?
What?
Alexi?
Whoa!
Yes, 1 for 9. Woo! And
How did we get one of them to work?
I have no idea anymore.
We'll find it.
Okay, here goes our 10th one.
Well, you won't burn, but it will.
Max, what are these that they are lighting right now?
They're spinny rockets. They're supposed to go like spinning up in the air.
Plastic things?
Yeah, right there. We're trying to light them and they're not going.
We lay them all at once?
This is not working.
No, you don't want to do that.
You know what? We did 2, we won't.
Let's talk about this.
I know, that you're watching.
1 for 11.
Are they upside down?
Bring
Lots
something
of
good,
smoke
man.
at least.
Those are gone. Okay, it's time for a Loco Locust. Woo!
A loco locust.
A Loco Locust. All right.
Do with these things, that's too terrible.
Yeah, they suck. All right, here we go.
Yeah, just stick it on the ground.
I have a Loco Locust.
Oh,
Yeah. He's on fuego.
I got it. You handle the crowd. Go ahead. Just tell them what's coming and I'm lighting.
All right.
Oh, don't drop that in the sand.
Would you do me a favor?
Don't drop that in the sand.
Yeah. And throw it behind us.
Okay.
You can do that.
Set him up. Okay.
Now I'm not so anxious that I blow up.
All right, guys. We have our Loco Locust Roman candles now. All right.
Here we go.
Loco Locust. These are not defective. Okay.
I hope not.
They go really high. 5 shots right away. Here we go.
Even closer, guys.
They're going.
Whoa! Yes, ma'am. Oh! Oh!
Holy crap, what side did you go?
Oh!
That's scary.
Oh! One more. Oh!
That was dangerous. Okay. That was really unexpected. Okay.
Danger. I love danger.
All right, here we go. Who's ready for our next Local Locust?
We want danger.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Whoa!
Oh! I did. I hope it doesn't bring you too bad.
Number 4.
Oh!
And here comes shot number 5.
Oh!
All right, next up, guys, we have 2 more Local Locusts. They're our favorites. Well, currently, but... All right, you ready? Dad, can you set up 2 more Local Locusts?
Sure.
Same ones, Roman candles, same space.
We invited you over. We didn't know you were going to bring a boatload of fireworks.
Next, can I do my fireworks?
Alexi,
you guys sit down?
are you from New Jersey, Connecticut, or New York?
No, neither.
Okay.
Can I do my fireworks and you guys sit down?
No, not right now, Mason, okay?
I'm in New York, but she-
All right, guys. Whoa! Okay, 3rd Local Locust.
Tell me you're from America.
Bam.
Oh my gosh!
Shot 4. These things are like shooting stars. Okay, one more Loco.
Those are good, man. Store those cows.
Local Locust, we got him at Ben Franklin.
We love Ben Franklin.
The Local Locust.
Here's with Ben Franklin.
Ben, that's where he bought these fireworks to Ben Franklin. Downtown.
Here we go.
Because it was all the way up here and now it's going all the way down here. It's almost done.
Whoa! Oh!
Oh no!
Ah!
Woo! Oh my god!
Woo!
Oh no!
Oh no! Whoa!
All right, we're done on Local Locusts, and now we're going to do one that you guys will probably like, the electrical shock. All right, we've never done this before. This is from a Phantom Fireworks store in Ohio. What are we doing? Okay, another failed rocket. All right. Do we need rocks on this, or what's up?
What is it?
The electrical shock.
I think we're okay with this one.
Just bury it in the sand pretty good.
I want you to feel safe and
We have our electrical shock fountain coming up next.
I'm loving it. Just
Yep.
ignore me.
Guys, here we go.
Here we go.
This is the electrical shock fountain.
The electrical shock fountain. And here we are in Huron Beach. We have a crowd of people. And the lights go off, and the sparkle, and the excitement is building. Oh!
Excellent.
Oh!
No, the smoke.
Ho! 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 Snap, crackle,
The electrical shock.
yes! YouTube! Yes!
YouTube, baby.
Yes.
YouTube. Okay.
Baby.
All right, guys. Next up, we have some of our huge Roman candles. They're barely legal.
Barely legal.
Can you set these 2 up halfway in the ground? These are 2 more Roman candles. These come from a Phantom Fireworks store in Ohio. They're barely legal. Here we go.
Hey, Cal, these are Ohio fireworks now.
Cow. Here we go, guys. I've never seen these before. They're brand new from a store in Ohio. These are called, I'm not sure. They don't really have a name. There's like 6 different ones in the assortment. Here we go.
Now you do it too.
Shots right away.
Like that one. Is there more?
Oh!
No, we're right behind.
I want to hear it.
I like that there's no big
Oh!
I like that there's no big boom or scream.
Wait, that's like 70 feet in the air?
About-
Oh, nice!
Good news, we have 5 more of those.
I feel much safer now. It will.
Yeah.
The fire will just cool down.
Yep, they're good. All right, here we go, guys. Our next set of 5-shot Roman candles. Here we go.
Ooh.
Yeah. Do you live here?
Boom!
And so Tim did some of your work.
Alright guys, we're going to end part 1 here. Stay tuned for part 2. Just keep on searching along the search bar, alright? See you guys.